So let's start with question number 26. Okay, ready. PQR were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They agreed to dissolve their partnership firm on 31st March 2020. He was deputed to realize the assets and pay the liabilities. He was paid 1000 as commission for his services. Okay, the financial position of the firm was, let's see, creditors, bills payable, investment fluctuation, and capitals of partners are given. Then stock, investment, debtors, cash, R's capital is mentioned in asset side. It means it is negative capital, and plant and machinery is given 30,000. Okay. P took investment for 12,500. Stock and debtors realized 11,500. Plant and machinery were sold to Q for 12,500. Sorry, 22,500 for cash. Unrecorded assets realized 1,500. Realization expenses paid amounted to 900. Prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. Okay, dear children, question number 26. All assets we transfer first. Stock 5,500 to sundry assets. Stock 5,500. Investment 15,000. Debtor 7,100. 7,100. Cash is not recorded because cash account we open. R's capital will be transferred to capital account. Plant and machinery 30,000 will come. Plant and machinery 30,000. Let's do the total. 30 plus 15 45. 45 plus 5 50. 50 plus 7 57. 600. So 57,600 will come. Okay. Then we will transfer liabilities. Creditors and bills payable are given by sundry liabilities. Creditors 10,000. And bills payable are given 3,700. Bills payable are given 3,700. 10 plus 3 13,700. So assets and liabilities are transferred in the realization account. Okay, then let's see what is given in adjustment. P took investment for 12,500. Now P has taken, so P must give. So by P's capital account, by P's capital account, investment, P has taken investment for 12,500. 12,500. So it will be recorded in credit side of realization. Then stock and debtors realized 11,500. Children, here in question it is mentioned cash, so we open cash account. Okay, stock and debtors realized 11,500 by cash. Stock and debtor, stock plus debtors 11,500. Plant and machinery were sold to Q for 2,500 for cash. Children, here it is mentioned sold to Q, but here it is also mentioned for cash. So that's why we will not debit in partner's capital account. Okay, because he is paying cash. So we directly write here plant and machinery. We have received cash. from Q. Plant and machinery. Well, how much he is paying? He is paying 22,500. So 22,500 he is paying. Okay. Unrecorded assets. There was some unrecorded assets and which realized 1500 rupees. So we have received 1500 from unrecorded assets. So unrecorded assets 1500 we have received. Okay. Realization expenses paid amounted to 900. So we need to come in debit side to cash account. Here it is mentioned realization expenses 900. Realization expenses 900 is paid, and then here it is mentioned creditors and bills payable, but in adjustment nothing is mentioned about it. So we need to pay sundry liabilities. Creditors 10,000. Okay. And bills payable is 3700. Bills payable 3700. If nothing is mentioned, okay, still we need to pay. The total will be 14,600. Okay, the total of asset realized will be 35,500. Okay, one thing is left here. It is mentioned P was deputed to realize assets and liabilities. He was paid 1,000 as commission. So P will get 1,000 commission, isn't it? So to P's capital account. To P's capital account 1,000. So by investment fluctuation reserve, how much? 4,500 will also come, and any reserve which is created against any asset. So you can see provision for doubtful debt which is created against debtor, it will also come. So by provision for doubtful debt it is mentioned here 450 it will also come. Okay, 50 in credit side, balance remaining in credit side. So it will be loss. So by loss transfer to partners capital account. By loss. Okay, dear children. So the partners are, the name of partners are PQR and their ratio is 532. So let us write P, Q and R. Now we need to distribute in the ratio of 5, 3, 2. So 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 6,550 divided by 10, 655. 655 into 2, 1310. Okay. 655 into 3, 1965. 655 into 5, 3275. So this is what realization account. I hope all these points are clear, children. In realization, let's prepare partners capital account PQR. Partners capital account starts from the credit side. Their capital PQ is positive and R's capital is negative. Okay. So by balance brought down 37,550 and 15,000. 37,550 and 15,000, whereas R is having negative capital. So to balance brought down, his negative capital is given 8,000. R's capital is negative 8,000. Then loss will be transferred, isn't it? To realization account. Loss will be transferred. How much loss? 3275, 3,275, 1965 and 1310. Let us see in realization account. Here it is mentioned P's capital account 1000. So P will get 1000 by realization account. Okay, any other partner is getting? Yes, here it is mentioned P's capital account for investment. So his capital account will be debited to realization. For investment 12,500. Okay, all the points are over. Let's do the total. First we do the total of R. Debit side of R's capital is more. Okay, 8 plus 1 9,310. So where it will be transferred? It will be transferred to cash account. By cash account 9,310. This is balancing figure, children. Clear? Now let's do for Q. Q's total is 15,000. 15,000. Okay, let's calculate the balancing figure where it will be transferred to cash account. 15,000 minus 1,000, 14,000 minus 965. It will be 13,035. Okay, and then total of P is 38,550. 38,550. Then subtract 3,275 minus 12,500. It will be 22,775. This is balancing figure, children. Where it will be transferred? It will be transferred in cash account. Debit balance. Let's see how much cash we have. 5,600 cash we have. Okay. So it will start from debit side to balance brought down 5,600. Okay. Now let's start with realization account. Okay. We will come to realization in debit side. Is there yes, cash is mentioned here. How much? 14,600. So it will come in credit side by realization. 14,600. Okay, let's move on credit side. How much is mentioned? By cash 35,500 is mentioned. So we write in debit side of cash account to realization. To realization 35,500. Okay, now let's check the partner's capital account balance. R's balance is 9310 in credit side, so it will come in debit side 9310. 9,310 to R's capital account. Okay, then P and Q 22,775 by P's capital account 22,775. Okay, and then Q's capital account 13,035 by Q's capital account. Let's do the total. Total must be equal of both the sides. So now 5,600 plus 35,500 plus 9,310. It will be 50,410. Let's do for this side also. 0, 1, 4, 0, 5. Yes, 50,410. The total of both sides are equal. I hope the question is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children. Is it clear? Thank you.